today's video we will be seeing about what we mean by median and mode. तो लास्ट के वीडियो में हम ऑलरेडी समझ चुके हैं कि मीन क्या होता है एंड हाउ टू टेक आउट मीन एंड व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन मीन, मीडियन, मोड. ये सब कुछ हम लोग लास्ट के वीडियो में कवर कर चुके हैं. जिन्होंने भी लास्ट का वीडियो नहीं देखा है, प्लीज चेक आउट द लास्ट वीडियो सो दैट यू विल बी एबल टू नो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन मीन, मीडियन एंड मोड and what do we mean by mean. Now in today's video we will be covering the median and the mode for the central tendency. Let's have a look. Let's start. So what do we mean by median? So first of all, the median, the definition of median tells you, as I have already explained you earlier, median is nothing but it exactly divides the observations into two equal parts. Fine. So what we do is, हम लोगों ने लास्ट टाइम क्या किया, ऑब्जर्वेशंस को असेंडिंग या डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज किया एंड देन वी फाइंड आउट द मिडिल टर्म ऑफ द ऑब्जर्वेशन. दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन से द मीडियन इज नथिंग, इट डिवाइड्स द ऑब्जर्वेशन इनटू टू इक्वल पार्ट्स. So the same thing is being given in the definition. We can see here median is that value of the given number of observation which divides it into exactly two parts when arranged in ascending or descending order. So you can arrange it anyhow, but you need to arrange it in an ascending or descending order. Then only you can take out the median. So I hope the definition must be damn clear to all of you. Now we will be seeing how we can take out the median if there are odd number of observations or if there are even number of observations. Let's have a look. As I told you, there are the two formulas for to take out the median. That is, if we have the case one is when we have the number of observations to be odd. If the number of observations are odd means if it is 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on, odd observations रहेंगी, then the median formula is given by n plus 1 upon 2th observation. What do we mean by this? Let's have a look with an example here. For an example, the odd number is 5. So my n is nothing but the number of observations are 5. I have 5 number of observations. तो मेरे पास observations है 5 which is an odd number. So I need to take out the median for the odd number. So what will be the median here? Median will be 5 plus 1 divided by 2. That is 6 by 2. That is nothing but third. So the third observation from the right will be the median. For example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For an example, ये लिया है. So this would be the observation. As you can see, this is a term which divides the observations into exactly two halves. आपको इधर भी दो नंबर मिल रहे हैं, इधर भी दो नंबर मिल रहे हैं. That is why the median formula for the odd observations are n plus 1 upon 2th observation. So this is the formula and this is the example which must be clear now why we take this formula for the odd number of observation. Let's have a look for an even number of observations. So when the number of observations are even, the median will be given as mean of n by 2th observation and n by 2th plus 1 observation. Let's have a look for an example here. Again, I can take a small example where n is equals to 6. Where n is equals to 6 and if I write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see here? If I take third term as a median, तो यहाँ पे हमारे दो नंबर बच रहे हैं और यहाँ पे तीन नंबर बच रहे हैं, which doesn't divide it into exactly two equal halves. If I take 4 as a median, then we will be remaining two numbers over here and 3 over here. So that is the problem of an even number. If we have even number of observations, तो हमको exact division नहीं मिलता है. Exact division नहीं मिलता है, इसीलिए क्या करते हैं, बीच के दोनों टर्म का mean ले लेते हैं and that mean will be the median for the given observation. Let's see, have a look. My n is 6. So the formula tells me about my median is nothing but mean of n by 2th term. N is nothing but 6. 6 divided by 2 is nothing but third term plus n by 2th plus 1 means 6 divided by 2 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. That is fourth observation. These observation. तो third observation की जगह पर क्या है, 3 है. तो जरूरी नहीं है, यहाँ पे कुछ भी हो सकता है. थर्ड ऑब्जर्वेशन मतलब कि स्टार्टिंग से तीसरी ऑब्जर्वेशन. मीन ऑफ थर्ड ऑब्जर्वेशन इज 3 प्लस fourth observation is 4 in case of this, divide by 2. So that is the mean of 3 and fourth observation, that is 3 plus 4 divided by 2. 3 plus 4 divided by 2 will give you how much? 3.5. So the median for the given example will be 3.5. So I hope why the two cases arises When if it is in odd observation में बीच का term मिलता है and it exactly divides the observations into two equal halves. Whereas if the observations are even, it doesn't divide it into two equal halves. That's why we need to find the mean of the between two numbers. So I hope the observations, the two cases of the median must be clear. Let's have a look on the sums. Let's have a look on the question here. The height of 9 students of a class are as follows. The 9 students की height दी है and बोला है find the median of this data. We need to find the median for the data, and what is given to us is the main important thing is the 9 factor, the 9 students. So I can say the number of observations are 9 and the number of observation 9 means this is odd. This is odd. So to take out the median we will be using which formula? n plus 1 upon 2th observation. 2th observation. I hope till this point it must be clear. But before finding all these things, we need to arrange the data in ascending order or the descending order. So let's have a look and let's arrange the given data in the ascending order. So the smallest one is 144. 144, then we have 147, 148, 149, 150, 152, then we have 155, then 160. Okay, here we have 144 and 145. So this is the observations which are arranged in the ascending order. Now what you need to do is just we need to find the median of the given data. Median is nothing but n plus, what is n over here? N is 9. So 9 plus 1 divided by 2th observation. That is 10 upon 2 will give you 5th observation. 5th observation from the starting is nothing but the median of the given data. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. So this is nothing but the median of the given data. So what is the median? It is 149. So this is the way how we can solve the given sum and we can find the median. And if you see, this 149 divides the observation into two equal halves, that is 4 over here and 4 on the other side. So this is the way this arranged, the median divides the data into two equal parts. So the sum given to us is the points scored by the Kabaddi team in a series of matches are as follows. So these are the points which is being scored by the Kabaddi team. Find the median of the points scored by the team. तो सबसे पहले हमको फाइंड करना पड़ेगा कि कितने स्कोर सेट्स हैं. So let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So n over here is 16, which is even number. And if the number is even, we need to find the mean of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observation. So the median is given by mean of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observation. ठीक है. अभी ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करने से पहले what we need to do, we need to arrange it into ascending or descending order. Let's start arranging in the ascending order. What we will get, see, 2 is the smallest number, cut 2, then we have 7 twice, 7 and 7. Then we have 8 also we have twice, 8 and 8. Then what we have, after 8 we have, sorry, we were having 5 over here, so which will come, fine. Now after 8 we have 10, that is also twice. After 10 we have 14. After 14 we have 15. After 15 we will go for 17. Then we have 18 over here. Then after 18, the smallest, the biggest number is 24. Then 27, 28 and 48. Fine. सारे number cut हो गए. And this is the way how we can arrange it into the ascending order. So this is the ascending order. Now what we need to do is, the median is the mean of n by 2th term. N is 16. So mean of n by 2th means 16 upon 2, that is nothing but 8th observation, and n by 2 is nothing but 16. 16 by 2 8, 8 plus 1 that is 9th observation. तो ये दोनों ऑब्जर्वेशन पे जो नंबर आ रहे हैं उसका क्या निकालना है, मीन निकालना है. सो 8th ऑब्जर्वेशन पे नंबर क्या आ रहा है, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. सो वी आर गेटिंग 10 एंड 9th पे वी आर गेटिंग 14. सो 8th ऑब्जर्वेशन हो गई हमारी 10 and 9th observation हो गई हमारी 14. We need to take the mean of 10 and 14. How we will take out the mean? Mean will be 10 plus 14 divided by 2, which is nothing but 24 divided by 2, that is nothing but 12. So the median for the given equation, given sum comes out to be 12. So the median comes out to be 12. So 12 is the answer, or we can say that 12 is the median which is being scored by the scores this kabaddi matches. So I hope the concept for the median must be clear. How to apply for the odd number of observations and for the even number of observations must be clear from these two examples. Let's have a look for another type of sum. See, what is given in the question is, the following observations has been arranged in the ascending order. It is already arranged in the ascending order, so need not arrange it. If the median of the data is 63, find the value for x. So here the median is already given to you. So median is given as 63 and we need to find the x in the observation. We need to find x in the observation. So it is already arranged in the ascending order. So let's have a look how many number of observation we have. Let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 observations we have. So n is nothing but 10 and n is 10 means this is even. So we are going to apply the formula of median, which is applicable for even number of observations. So median is nothing but, median कैसे देंगे even number of observation के लिए, mean of n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation. Fine. So what is n over here? N is 10. So we will be taking out mean of 10 by 2, that is nothing but 5th observation, and 10 by 2, that is 5 plus 1, that is 6th observation. That is 6th observation. इसके बाद की observation आती है. So 5th observation and 6th observation का mean निकालते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5th observation and this is 6th observation. So x, the mean for 5th and 6th observation will be x plus 2 upon 2. So if we solve the numerator, you will get 2x plus 2 upon 2. And if we take 2 common, x plus 1 upon 2, this 2 and 2 will get cancelled out and the value for median comes out to be, this is the value for median. Median की value कितनी आ गई? X plus 1. And it is already given in the question that is median is 63. So can we equate this as 63? So we have x plus 1 is equals to 63 and from here we can find out the value for x, which is nothing but x is equals to 63 minus 1. The value for x is 62. Is 62. So this is the way, if the median is given and if the data is already arranged, we can find the unknown observations which is been there in the series. So this is 62, this will be 64. So you can complete the observations, all the 10 observations which we have. Let's see a question over here. Find the median of the data. So these are the observations given to you. I hope this question is really easy and you can do it by your own. So please do the question by your own and let me know the answers in the comment box. So, and I hope the median portion of the median of the central tendency must be clear to each one of you. Now, let's go to mode. What do we mean by mode? Let's see what do we mean by mode. Mode is another form of the central tendency which is the simplest form I can say out of the three. Mean, median, mode. So mode is the simplest one. तो mode के बारे में मैं already हम last वाले वीडियो में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. Mode वो चीज़ होती है, वो ऑब्जर्वेशन होती है जो ज़्यादा नंबर टाइम्स पे रिपीट करेगी. So the frequency which have the maximum frequency mostly repeating. So that observation is nothing but the mode for the given observation, the number of observations which are given to you. Again in the mode we need to arrange the given data in the ascending or descending order so that you will be able to find out the maximum, the number which is repeating maximum number of times. So let's have a look on the definition what the mode say. Mode is that value of the observation which occurs most frequently. As I told you, it is most frequent number which will be there in the given observations. That is, an observation with the maximum frequency is called mode. So this is a definition which is being given in the NCERT books. So as I have already explained you earlier too, and the mode is nothing but the frequently occurring number. So let's have a look on the question here. Find the mode of the following marks out of 10 obtained by 20 students. So here the observation for the 20 students are being given, the marks for the 20 students are given, and they are asking us to find out the mode, means they are asking us which marks, which number is being occurring frequently in the observation. So this will be easy if you will arrange the given observation in the ascending or descending order. Let's have a look here. So if I am going to arrange it in the ascending order, so the smallest number I have here is 2. 2, then we have 3. 3, how many times we have? We have 2 times 3. Then we have 4 over here. How many times? 1, 2, 3 times. Then we have 5. 1, 2, 2 times 5. 6 is again 2 times. No. 1, 2, 3 times. 6. Then we have 7. 1, 2, 3. 7. Then we don't have 8. We have directly 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 10 2 times. So this is the observations which has been arranged in the ascending order. Now you can make out very easily. तो सबसे ज़्यादा जो number frequently occur हो रहा है, that is a 9. Number 9 is occurring 4 times in the observation. So the mode for the given observation is 9. So we will treat here the central tendency for the 20 students as to be 9 marks out of 10 marks, which is a quite good results, I can say. Let's have a look onto the another question here. So the question given to us is the ages of the workers in a certain factory are given in the following table. So this is the table which tells you about the ages and the number of workers which have these ages. Means 5 workers are 19 years old, 15 workers are 21 years old, 13 are 25 and so on. So we need to find the mode of their ages. So मोड ऑफ द एजेस फाइंड करना है, मतलब कि कितने वर्कर्स हैं जिनकी सबसे ज्यादा एज है, हाउ frequently it is repeating. So you can see here 15 is the largest number, largest frequency I can say, क्योंकि 15 workers की age 21 है. So this is the frequency. This is nothing but the frequency. So this is the trick in the question. This is the frequency which we have, and 15 workers have 21, and similarly 15 also have 29. So here we can say that the mode is nothing but 15, but it occurs twice. So we can say the mode, the ages of the mode will be 21 and 29, because 15 occurs twice. So in this case we will be considering both these ages as the mode, because the 15 most frequently occurring as a twice. तो 2 बार आ रहा है तो वो दोनों को ही mode consider करते हैं in case of mode. So this was the difference. This was the motto of taking this question, which was very short but a tricky one. What to take? So 15 and 15. So you need to consider both the cases. I hope the median and mode concept for today's video must be clear. And now we will be having a look on different types of graphs in the next video. So before we go, there is a question for you over here. To find the mode of this observations which are being given over here, and it is very easy to find the observation. Just you need to arrange it in ascending or descending order as the way you want, and please comment me in the comment box the answers for both median and mode. And let's have a look for the next video for the different types of graphs which we have in statistics. I hope you must have liked the video, and if you have understood the video, please like, share and subscribe, and please hit the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications which I will be posting in the further sessions. Thank you and have a nice day.